Burnsy, guess what I got? Guess what I got?
You got pads.
Shoes!
I mean, shoes.
I always yell at you. Here, grab these, open
For
them
the
up.
55 Ford?
Danny's going to come in here and beat you. Anyway. Got nice ones. Got the nice true arc. They're riveted. That slides out. There you go. It's nice stuff.
Yeah, not that stupid.
Ooh, I want to see. I want to see. I want to see. Oh, baby. There they are. Ooh, look at that.
Come on.
Riveted. Nice. I'm going to make sure they're the riveted ones because we paid extra for the nice stuff. All right. Now carefully open those because they're paired. Primaries and secondaries. Oh, look, it's a muskrat. Hi.
The ship manager.
The shop just gained a roll.
What'd you do?
I didn't. One of y'all put this in a place that it wasn't supposed to be, so I put it down, guess where?
Rectally?
On the new fabric.
Oh. It's okay, though?
No, I'd have to cut out an entire chunk.
That's fine. You'll live.
You can handle.
Dude, even if I taped his hands together, it wouldn't do any good. Something would get dirty anyways.
Anyway. All right. So Mr. Burns has the new shoes. Yay! And I'll be back with Scotty.
Because we're going to do a video on that because I've already got stuff that needs to be filmed.
Okay.